Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. IAS optional plays an important role when it comes to UPSC examinations preparation, and hence if you are searching for the commerce and accountancy IAS optional guidance, then please watch this video till the end, as I'll be discussing with you the best coaching guidance platform and a website you definitely need, and will give you full details regarding all these three things. I also hope that you have subscribed to our channel already, so without any further delay, let us begin with the video. So friends, the best coaching for this IAS optional is Plutus IAS Coaching. Plutus IAS coaching classes is the destination for the student preparing for UPSC and especially this optional subject. It ensures optimum utilization of resources and energy of students in the direction of success. It has been evident from the 20 plus years of experience in teaching that they provide learning strategies to the student by the teaching techniques in order to ensure the best outcome for the students. Moreover, they have been providing education through online as well as offline mode to build a reputation in the field of coachings of the country. Alright, now let's move to the learning environment of this institution. The coaching institute has designed a unique teaching facility to the students in order to enhance their productivity and allow an increment in their existing knowledge and capabilities. Meaning, it provides an overall teaching session related to all relevant topics of the subject. Further, it has an efficient learning environment to induce them towards studies and helps to reduce the confusion among them related to the preparation for examination. They also have various features like online classes, offline classroom facility which has just begun, interactive sessions, doubt clearing sessions, and current affairs classes as well apart from your core classes. Alright friends, after I told you about the best IAS coaching institute for this, now let me move on to the second thing, which was a guidance platform. Friends, this is the Hindu Zone coaching platform. Friends, the Hindu Zone is a guidance platform and not exactly the coaching platform. However, the Hindu Zone also sells video and of different coachings, and the Hindu Zone is added in this list as because different IAS officers, IITs and every doctors have been mentoring students of the preparation from this platform only. Now, the Hindu Zone guides students for best causes, best series, coachings as per the requirement of the students, and they also give you a completely free of cost counseling session. The website is www.thehinduzone.com, which focuses on guiding students for their respective courses and coachings as per their requirement. Hence, it may necessarily not be a good coaching, excellent coaching institute in your respective field, but it provides platform for you to connect to the institutions which provide best coaching of this subject, and hence you should definitely go ahead and try, because one, it gives you completely free of cost counseling session, and as well secondly, they also connects to you with the best mentors you can ever receive for the respective subjects you want to learn. So the next thing for your self-study and your help is Online Khan Market. The website is www.onlinekhanmarket.com. Friends, Online Khan Market is the platform from where you can get a soft copy of any study materials for your preparation of any subject you want to. Now, you don't need to visit the market for your preparation, because sometimes it happens that you don't get veterinary science books and all those stuffs happen when you are preparing for the examination. But now with Online Khan Market, you don't have to worry about market hassles and all the other things. You can simply go to the website and get the soft copy of any books you desire. Hence, you can simply sit at your home and can get your study material in your hands at a very cheap price as compared to other market prices. And hence, I highly recommend you to go ahead and try Online Khan Market once for sure. So friends, these were the three important helps you definitely need when it comes to IAS optional commerce and accountancy subject, as they all are best coaching institution. I hope you have got relevant knowledge and information regarding all the three platforms, and you will definitely go ahead and use these things for your preparation strategy. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do so that you don't miss out on any updates and follow-ups we post on the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.